Blooom 401k Planner Honest Review. Watch before using. As of November 2022, Blooom ceased operation and closed its service. Previously, Blooom was a robo-advisor specializing in managing employer-sponsored retirement plans such as 401ks, 401(k)s, and 457 plan, as well as IRA held at Fidelity, Vanguard, or Chas Swapped. And here's a good side about this platform: when they are active, they are good in aspect of specializing service. Blooom was one of the few platforms focusing exclusively on employers sponsored retirement plan, allowing users to optimize their existing account without needing employers approval. It also comes with no account minimum and flat fee structure. I'm talking about the bad side of this platform: when they are active, which is the high fee for smaller accounts and limited account type, together with no mobile app. And here's the bottom line about this platform: Blooom provided a unique service by focusing on optimizing employer-sponsored retirement plans, a niche not widely addressed by other robo-advisors. It's a user-friendly approach and a flat fee structure made appealing to many investors. However, it is a closure in November 2022. Currently, users would need to seek alternative platform for managing their retirement account. Thanks.